Hello everyone and welcome to our video on the common mistakes that you should avoid when doing accounting homework. Whether you're a student or just someone trying to brush up on your accounting knowledge, this video is for you. So, let's get started. The first mistake many students make is not understanding the basics of accounting concepts. This can lead to several issues such as incorrect entries, wrong calculations, and failing grades. Therefore, it's important that before undertaking any challenging tasks and accounting homework, ensure that your fundamentals are clear. Another common mistake we see a lot of students making when doing them. Accounting homework is overlooking small details that could have significant impacts on the final result of an assignment or test score. An example could be forgetting decimal points when using units like dollars and cents or confusing numerals with alphabets like OVs 0. Procrastination lands high among common mistakes made by many students while tackling them. There are always going to be new distractions and things popping up around us. However, great time management ultimately determines whether we meet deadlines without sabotaging our grades if all works out well. We often hear students throw statements like, "I don't understand," but what they mean is they haven't gotten enough practice yet. In reality, not gaining enough experience working through problems means lacking confidence, explicitly putting them at risk coming off confused about even simple-sounding questions in class discussion. Well, there you have it. 4 most common mistakes to be avoided when doing your accounting homework. Remember though, these tips must be applied regularly towards building competency over some time frame with consistent discipline, affording one greater success chances whenever tasked with similar work again in future classes/stages. If you found value from today's content, be sure to like this video and engage with our platform. Don't hesitate to visit asafeworld.org today for more helpful resources when it comes down to acing your accounting homework coursework. Keep pushing, building mastery over accounting concepts, ultimately guaranteeing you become successful in all future assignments. And that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching.